Hello children, today we are going to see practice set 5.4. Question 1. In quadrilateral IJKL, side IJ is parallel to side KL, angle I equals to 108 degree, angle K equals to 53 degree. Then find the measures of angle J and angle L. Solution: angle I equals to 108 degree given, side IJ parallel to LK and side IL is the transversal given. Therefore, angle I plus angle L equals to 180 degree interior angles. Angle I equals to 108 degree. Therefore, 108 degree plus angle L equals to 180 degree. Angle L equals to 180 degree minus 108 degree equals to 72 degree. So, angle L will be 72 degree. Angle K equals to 53 degree given. IJ parallel to LK and side JK is the transversal. Therefore, angle J and angle K, they form interior angles. So, angle J plus angle K equals to 180 degree. Therefore, angle J plus 53 degree equals to 180 degree. Angle J equals to 180 minus 53 degree equals to 127 degree. Answer: angle I equals to 72 degree, angle J equals to 127 degree. Next question. In quadrilateral ABCD, side BC is parallel to side AD, side AB congruent to side DC. These two sides are congruent, and if angle A equals to 72 degree, then find the measures of angle B and angle D. So here we will do the construction work. Draw segment BP perpendicular to AD such that A dash P dash D and segment CQ perpendicular to AD such as A dash Q dash D. Solution: angle A equals to 72 degree given. In quadrilateral ABCD, side BC is parallel to AD and side AB is the transversal given. Therefore, angle A plus angle B, they form interior angles. As BC and AD are parallel, AB is transversal. So, this angle A and angle B, they form interior angles and they are supplementary. Therefore, angle B equals to 180 degree minus 72 degree equals to 108 degree. Now, in triangle BPA and triangle CQD, angle P is perpendicular, so 90 degree, angle Q is 90 degree by construction. Therefore, angle BPA and angle CQD are of 90 degree each. AB congruent to CD given, that is nothing but hypotenuse in two triangles, and segment BP congruent to segment CQ, perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines. As you know that between the two parallel lines, the distance between them is same, equal. So here, therefore, two triangles BPA and triangle CQD are congruent to each other by hypotenuse side test. Therefore, angle BAP is congruent to angle CDQ. Corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Therefore, angle A equals to D equals to 72 degree. Answer: angle B equals to 108 degree and angle D equals to 72 degree. Question 3. In quadrilateral ABCD, side BC is less than AD as shown in the diagram here. Side BC is parallel to AD, and if side AB congruent to side CD, then prove that angle ABC equals to angle DCB. Given side BC is less than AD, side BC parallel to AD, side BA and side CD are equal. To prove that angle ABC congruent to angle DCB. Construction again like previous thing. Draw BP perpendicular to AD and CQ also perpendicular to AD as shown. Solution. Again in triangle BPA and triangle CQD, each angle is of 90 degree. BA equals to CD. Given hypotenuse side test, perpendicular BP equals to congruent CQ, BP equals to CQ, perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines. Therefore, triangle BPA and triangle CQD are congruent by hypotenuse side test. Therefore, angle BAP is congruent to angle CDQ, corresponding angles of congruent triangle. That is, angle A congruent to angle D. Now, side BC parallel to AD and side AB is there transversal. So, angle A plus B equals to 180 degree. That is known as interior angles. Angle A and angle B are interior angle. Similarly, again, BC is parallel to AD and CD is transversal. So, angle C and angle D, they form pair of interior angles equals to, their sum equals to 180 degrees. So, A plus B equals to 180 degree, C plus D equals to 180 degrees. So, both are equal. Equalizing them, angle A plus angle B equals to angle C plus angle A. Instead of angle D, angle A is taken. Angle A gets cancelled. Therefore, angle B equals to angle C. Therefore, we say angle ABC congruent to angle DCB. This much is sufficient for this exercise. In the next video, we are going to study next exercise. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.